What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're here with the S5 again today, and we're going to be installing a really easy, really simple modification for this car that really helps enhance the look of this car, especially at night. I've done this modification on a few of my cars now. I actually did it on my F30 340i BMW. I'll go ahead and link that video on the top right corner. It's a pretty bad video. I actually did it. It was one of the first videos I did with this channel. But nonetheless, here's the part. I just got it off Amazon. It's, if you can probably tell already, it's the Puddle projector lights that have the Audi logo on them. Like I said, I did the same with my BMW, and it got a ton of compliments. Pretty much everyone noticed them immediately and said they really liked them. So I figured I'd do the same thing on this car. So this is the part we're going to be installing. It should take really no more than 5 minutes. I'll show you guys how to do that. You only need really basic hand tools. I think the only real thing you'll need is a flathead screwdriver. And I'll go ahead and insert some nighttime clips, obviously, because it's hard to tell during the day. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get on started. So this is what you get when you open the box. You have two of these lights. I already did the driver's side just to make sure everything fit and looked good. And like I said, the only tool you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver. It has to be pretty thin. The tolerances are pretty tight in the door, and I'll go ahead and show you how to remove the stock one now. So if we go ahead and get to the bottom of the door here, you can see the stock light right there. What you want to do is take the flathead screwdriver and kind of stick it up into the door like so and push down, and it should pop the light out enough where you can kind of stick your finger in there and pull it out by hand. And then obviously once the light is out like so, this is pretty hot actually. I didn't realize how hot these get. You're just going to want to push the connector up here like so and take it out. One quick note about the light and the packaging here. You can see there are some extra wires in the bag here. This car does not require them. This plugs directly into the stock connection right there. But for my BMW, I did have to use these wires right here. There's no cutting or splicing or anything like that, but you do have to plug the wires into this little pin, these two little pins right there, and tuck it up under the door once you're finished. But it only added an extra step, and it really took only an extra second or so. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get back under the door. You can see the stock connector here. It's a little tough to do with one hand. You got to line the pins up pretty closely, but I actually got lucky there and managed to do it. And you can see it's functional. And once you're done, you just tuck it back in its home under the door, and you should be set, just like that. So I'll go ahead and insert some night clips like I said, but right here and now you can see I'm sticking the box for the part under it, and you can see the logo is very crisp, very clear, and it's a lot brighter at night, obviously. All right, guys, it's nighttime now. We'll go ahead and show the final product. Open up the driver's door, and there's the illuminated Audi logo, the Puddle light. Nice brightness, pretty crisp, I would say. It does appear a bit brighter in person than on camera. Just a quick note about these lights, they do kind of lose their brightness and picture quality pretty quickly. I had to replace the old ones that were on here actually, and those only lasted like a couple months. So yeah, you have to kind of buy these pretty quickly, but when they're fresh out of the box like this, they do look pretty factory. Taking a quick look at the passenger side here, this is the side that we did for the install part of the video. We'll go ahead and open the door. Get a nice view of the Puddle light here as well. But yeah, guys, that's basically going to conclude today's video. Like I said, really quick, really easy modification that you can do. And they have a ton of different makes and models you can choose from for your car. But if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. I have a ton more content on this car coming very soon, as well as many others. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.